To savor the southern flavors of Louisiana barbecue, try this Chicory-rubbed pork shoulder with Bourbon BBQ Sauce. To begin with, we'll prepare 4 components of this recipe: the rub, the Spritz, the butter wrapping mixture, and the barbecue sauce. First, we'll make the rub by combining the chicory coffee, salt, brown sugar, cracked black pepper, ancho chili powder, smoked paprika, and cocoa powder in a bowl. Mix to combine and then set aside. Rub the pork shoulder with Chicory Rub and allow it to cure uncovered overnight in the fridge. Next, we'll make our hard apple cider spritz. Combine the hard apple cider, water, brown sugar, salt, Worcestershire sauce, and Maggi seasoning. Mix and pour the spritz ingredients into a spray bottle and set aside for later. We're also going to get our butter wrapping mixture ready. In the large mixing bowl, combine butter, honey, brown sugar, the hard cider spritz, and mustard. Set this mixture aside. Lastly, we're going to make this delicious bourbon barbecue sauce. In a small saucepan, heat the oil and sauté the onion until it's beginning to caramelize. Add the garlic and continue to cook until aromatic. Flambe with the bourbon for about a minute, then carefully add the ketchup, coffee rub, cider vinegar, and brown sugar. Heat slowly until brown sugar dissolves and the sauce comes to a boil. Turn off the heat and add the grainy mustard. Mix until combined. Remove from heat and allow to cool. Now we're ready to start barbecuing. Set up your grill and heat to about 250 degrees Fahrenheit, dividing the grill into a 2-zone cooking, a hot side with direct heat and a cooler side away from the direct heat. Next, add a few chunks of pecan, apple, or other suitable hardwoods to the coals or to your grill. Place the pork shoulder in the smoker on the cool side of the 2-zone grill with a drip pan underneath. Close the grill lid and cook for 1 hour, spritzing with the cider spritz every 30 minutes or so. Cook for 2.5 to 3 hours, or until the internal temperature registers approximately 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Tear off 2 sheets of heavy-duty aluminum foil. Place the meat on the foil and coat the meat with the butter wrapping mixture. Wrap the shoulder very tightly and return to the smoker or cool side of the grill. Cook at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 2.5 to 3.5 additional hours, checking the temperature after 2.5 hours with a meat thermometer. The meat will be done when the thickest part of the shoulder reaches 195 degrees Fahrenheit. Unwrap the shoulder, discarding the foil and its juices. Place the pork shoulder back onto the cool part of the grill. Glaze the pork with the bourbon barbecue sauce, cooking for another 30 minutes to set the glaze. Allow to rest, tented with foil for a minimum of 30 minutes before serving. Serve the pork sliced, chopped, or pulled.